Hello, my friends. Happy New Year, and I welcome you all to the Creative Thinkers Hub channel. Yes, it's been quite a long time since I last uploaded a video. Now, there's a lot of buzz that has happened, in 2023 about ChatGPT, and that's what has kind of taken AI to a different level altogether, even though AI has been around with us since 1940. Yes, 1940. Everything that you have been facing, that is, simple things like, your Google Maps, your Gmail, your YouTube itself, everything is AI driven. And we have been using it since very, very long. Effectively, it has been reading us, it has been doing everything necessary, but it's never really hampered us in any big way. And that's going to continue. ChatGPT basically ruled the market in 2023, but in 2024, or I would say end of 2023, things have changed slightly. There are a lot of tools that have come which are better than ChatGPT, and moreover do a lot more uh, at a free rate, where ChatGPT might charge you $20 or something like that per month. All these things happen in other tools for free of cost. So let's see that how ChatGPT works against other things. Let's begin. So as you can see, this is what ChatGPT looks like. Yeah, it says upgrade to ChatGPT 4 if you want images. It doesn't have a add icon, and if you want that, you have to upgrade, and therefore it comes to $20 a month, as I mentioned before. Okay, so that's to get into this. Now, if you see these other things, so let's look at another tool. Okay, so this is a very lovely tool, writesonic.com/chat. So basically this tool gets into ChatSonic. So ChatSonic is like having ChatGPT 4 on steroids. Okay, now why do I say that? Let's look here. So ChatGPT alternative, it very very well says that. Now there are, so why is it on steroids? Because this particular thing works purely on Google. Okay, and that is the most important thing. So can you summarize an article? So it basically summarizes this whole article, which will any which way ChatGPT 4 will be able to do. Okay, but and that is what it is. So it also allows you to ask further questions, where in ChatGPT 4 you'll have to create your questions. So it has already read everything, and it keeps asking you if you want more further questions on it. Okay, so that's how you could go. Now once you press new chat again, okay, can you give me top 5 vehicles in 2023? Now if that particular thing I type here, chat gpt is going to tell me very obviously that sorry, I cannot give you anything further than Jan 2024. Therefore, I have no knowledge of all this. But ChatSonic is going to give you all the names of the top 5 vehicles, because it is purely looking at things on Google. Okay, it's not at all looking at things outside. I mean, it's not, it is pre-fed, but it also envisions a Google search. So now if I say generate, now these are the shortfalls. Generate an image of a 5-year-old Mexican boy wearing a cap with a guitar. What is going to do is just going to take the Mexican boy. It is not going to be looking at any cap, nothing. It's basically some image that it has got of a Mexican boy of a clothing brand, for all you know, and that's what it is giving you. So that this is the shortfall. Even if I do this particular prompt, not once, twice, thrice, it is yet going to ask me. Even if I go onto a recommended prompt by them, it is yet going to ask me the same thing. So I went through it not once but twice. It very clearly said, I'm sorry, but I'm able to unassist you. Okay, so I copy pasted it twice. and it told me that please consult a photographer. It cannot generate images. So what I did, I went to a generic web just to see if that prompt is good enough. I went to Leonardo.ai and this is what I got. Yeah, great, isn't it? Yes. So in this, now what I did, I took this image, I downloaded it, and I put it here. See, now it's not allowing me to upload another image once my this is done. So I uploaded the image, I came here, and let's see now if I say in the above image, make the boy wear a traditional Mexican hat. So again, it doesn't work accordingly. Okay, so it is only a AI text based model. Okay, so you can only ask questions on traditional caps, on things like that, about Mexicans, and it will answer you to the core because it does a Google search. So this is the shortfall. Okay, now let's try adding this new thing. I'm sure this say so it can, you can add web pages, you can add things. Let's try and add my website. Okay, so can you tell me a little more about what this website does? And it gives you exactly the right answer. The website offers digital coaching and mentoring service for individuals and businesses. It also provides advertising services. So it thumbs up for this one, right? Now it also has other options, okay, where I could now, unlike ChatGPT, okay, where everything comes in a thread, here it doesn't. Okay, but like ChatGPT 4, it allows me to also train the bot. So create a chat GPT-4 or create an open AI assistant. Now this is a totally new thing. It's a brand new video. Let's not get there for now. I'll cover this for sure in my future videos. Okay, so this is tool number one that's complete. Now after this we go to perplexity.ai. Okay, this is another brilliant tool. Okay, this again is powered by Copilot. So therefore it is a Microsoft product. Okay, it's a Microsoft product because Copilot is Microsoft. So I put this image here, and as soon as I put it, it says sorry. You need to basically, you want to get into Claude, you want to get into ChatGPT 4, you want to do those things, you have to pay $20. So it is powered by Microsoft, but it power backs itself on a lot of different software. So this is going to be Google and ChatGPT together in Perplexity. So now I said only give me YouTube videos. So it has given me the links of all the YouTube videos, as well as it is also given me, that what the whole thing means. So it's giving me the text, and it is also given me from where it's taken this particular thing because I clicked on Google. Now let's go to home, and instead of YouTube, say all. Okay, and let's type the same question again. How can AI shape today's world? And let's put Copilot on and see. So in Copilot, it says understanding the web. So it basically looks into the web and it takes it further. So it gives you a very similar answer, but if you can see, it is now going on to websites other than videos, and it's giving me the right answer. So it's gone on many places, as you can see. It's gone on LinkedIn, it's gone on different websites, AI related. It goes on Forbes, it's gone on Tableau. So many websites it goes on. Now, when I come here and I go into focus again, I switch off Copilot. Let's retype our question. How can AI shape the world? Okay, let's switch off Copilot and let's see, does it make a difference? Yes, it does. Okay, now it's only looked at 5 or 6 websites and it is taken this year. So putting on Copilot is obviously recommended. Now, if I say search images, generate images, once I come here, again it says, okay, you need to upgrade yourself, and then you can basically work with images also. So this is a purely, even this is a text based thing. It's not uh, totally, but this is the benefit. Okay, that here I can look at AI, and I can look at, all the my whole thread is a brand new thing. Now let's try and upload the PDF and give me a summary of the attached PDF. This is what it gives you. Okay, now same way it gives you a lot of more questions, and I type more, and this is what it will give. So it keeps, it can build up on this particular thing, so you can keep extracting data, more and more data from one thing. So this is how Copilot works, and you can attach new threads, you can do things, and that's how this works. So my friends, if you like this video and you think that these are good alternatives or moreover supplementary alternatives for ChatGPT, please like, subscribe, and do not forget to share this video, because only sharing increases knowledge. Thank you.